going to be doing some cricket. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy some sport. Get a latte if you want. From Cafe Nero. Okay, we're good. First going to start with some bowling.
What bowling?
Some overarm bowling. We're going to do fast, spin, and merge them together.
Okay.
So first we're going to start with spin. Sometimes you can do a curved runner. I'm going to do the curved and the straight runner. First I'm going to do the straight. I'll just tell you, I'm a googly bowler. I can bowl googlies, but I'm actually a fast bowler. But I can do googlies. I'm going to do googly. That's quite wide. You just want to get your left arm and then your left hand into a knife if you're a right-hander. Then bowl it. With your left hand, like with left hand, like a knife, shaking like a knife. Use that to aim. With your right arm that you're bowling this, you put it straight up, touching your ear. Just touching your ear. I'm going to try that again. And let's see if it actually hits the wicket. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was pretty close. It was good, very good ball. So I'm going to do the curve down for spin. After this bowling, we're going to do some batting drills. And also we're going to first do bowling drills, then batting drills. This is just how to bowl. Also remember the position. Take a run up if you need a run up. Have a run up suitable for you. Because the coach might say, don't take a run up, because it might affect your bowling. So if you're taking a run up, take a run up. Then come to this position. You're about to get ready to throw the ball. So it's like in the knife position. You're going to keep it straight, and then this is like this. So like this, and you're gonna throw and just tucking your ear. So that is the position for the right armed bowlers. Most bowlers are right-handed, so that's why I'm doing only the right-handed bowlers. So when you're doing fast, you always bowl from straight run up. Because the curved run up is only for spin or spin bowlers. So always use the straight run up for doing fast bowling. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, go. My normal balls are outswingers, but fast outswingers. They don't even know how I outswing. Somehow. So that's good ball, fast. Length is good, line is good. So you want to keep the length and line perfect, well not perfect, but really, really good, pretty good. Now we're going to do some bowling drills. So now we're going to do some bowling drills. It's like underarm spin, something like that. Because yesterday we did some bowling in my team in practice at King's George. That's where I practice. We did some underarm spin when we were practicing for batting, maybe. So start from about maybe, if you're a beginner, maybe from here. If you're advanced like me, maybe start from here. So you want to keep it in maybe this position, or for me, my googlies, I do it in this position. But you can do it in this, so this is in the normal position. You want to flick your hand on your wrist. Like in baseball, when you're trying to curve, you like this. Let me get the ball. So that's in the normal position, but this is in the position I do it, or the spin position. The reason why that position is better is because since it's got like more loose, it will get more spin. Because if it's more tighter, it's hard to spin the ball. it's loose, you can spin it more, but if it's tighter, you can spin it less. Now we're going to go to some batting drills. So when you're batting, if you're attacking, you always have the grip on the top. But if you're defending, you have the grip on the back, so like this, closer to the actual bat where you hit. And you always hit with this flat side, not this side. This side is just for strength. So today we're going to do some defense, maybe a bit of attack. You don't really want to do attack here because it's in a garden. So we're just going to do defense. When I go to my place where I practice, King's George, we're going to do some attacking and defending, mainly attacking. So we're going to practice the cover drive. So first when you're batting in any shot, even attacking, you go back and across. You go across with your left leg and back with your right leg. So when the bowler is about to release the ball, if you want, you can do it a bit earlier, and you should make it like this L shape. It's like, okay? And then, in defense, you usually go front. If it's attacking, you usually go back. You can go front. And this is like I think a defense shot. So you always want to keep the bat like maybe just scraping the ground and touching it, because sometimes in cricket, if you don't hit it on the ground, the ball will go under and hit the wickets. So cameraman, throw the ball. That was good cover drive, everything perfect.